Hi.
Oi,
We are now in Redwood Forest.
agora nós estamos na Floresta Vermelha,
And it's 6 in the evening.
às 6 da tarde.
And it's really cold here.
Fez bastante frio aqui,
But the air is so fresh.
mas o ar é muito fresco.
And the trees, they're really, really tall.
E as árvores são bem altas. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
nice. It's good.
It's good. Cool, huh? Frio de cojones. Spoke Spanish.
Yeah.
Tell us about this lake.
This lake is beautiful.
You brought us here, so tell us about it.
Yeah, and really shy. Like me. Another one.
What are you doing?
Check the temperature. Just scary.
So am I. Out of nowhere, we take pictures of the sky, the night sky. You can't see it, but it's really beautiful. I think it's really dark outside, so can't really see. But I'll share pictures.
Too cold.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
back.
too cold outside. Check that out. Back?
No, I mean back to home.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi.
Hi.
Just went for a swim in Kerosene Creek.
Yeah.
The water is so warm, but the weather is cold and it started raining. So we have to escape.
Yeah.
And we are just in towels now. And we're going to the next spot to swim again.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Hot and cold. River.
River.
River. Sorry.
Mango River.
Yeah. Hot and cold river.
We just came back from another hot spring. It's called Waiotapu. Waiotapu what?
I don't know.
Waiotapu something. And it's unique because it's a river that is both hot and cold. So if you find the right spot, you can be both hot and cold at the same time.
Yeah.
But of course, we stay in the hot side because it's too cold.
Yeah.
So now we are going to find a bathroom so we can change out of our wet clothes.
En una de mi vida maldeciste mi cabeza. Can you go to hell? I know you took too well. Look up and mind your own shitty business, yeah. La puta que parió, donde tú se vio. Hoy mi paciencia está en cero.
Quero do mar, vai tomar no cu. Parar de tomar conta da minha vida e vai.
This shit can't be for real. Don't play me now for fool. My lips can't help it, words keep coming. Fuck you. No
Such a dirty song.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. Ain't really good.
Super Peggy.
I love the song.
Of course you do. So I'm gonna show you very, very beautiful place called Hookah Falls. This is a viewpoint, so you have a good view of the place. You can hear it, you can hear it. Okay. Ta-da!
Why they
Ta-da! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit, look at that! So beautiful! Tell me how you feel.
normal?
Normal?
Yeah.
You have no feelings. You don't have a heart.
No, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
How's your pee? You lost something? About half a kilometer walk, and this is what you see. Okay, for normal eyes it looks like garbage, but trust me, it's clear as day. There's vegetation down there. See, duck looks happy to live here, right, ducky? Ducky! Quack. Quack, quack.